you live in a world of big, bigger, best. कई बार ऐसे हो जाता है और हमारी इंडस्ट्री ऐसी है. But I am so happy in the last few months कि स्पेस के साथ फिल्में बनाने लग गई है. जब आप एक कैरेक्टर को एक मौका देते हो ना थोड़ा सा खेलने के लिए, और डायरेक्टर को जल्दी नहीं होती है दूसरे सीन में जाने के लिए, तो बहुत बढ़िया मौका मिल जाता है. इट्स लाइक बैटिंग. जब आपका ज़्यादा टाइम होता है ना एज अ बैट्समैन, यू आर एबल टू टाइम द बॉल बेटर एंड इट गोज फॉर अ 6 एंड इट डजंट गो अलॉन्ग द ग्राउंड. अब मुझे लगता है कि शी इज़ वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट एक्ट्रेसेस एंड हु हैज़ 2 different personalities. I hate the fact that she's such a brilliant dancer also, and in 2 seconds she just does all these moves. But then the complexities of a very difficult character to play as Mrs. Sania, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you so much, sir.
You are, I would say, one of the most underutilized actors till date in our Bollywood industry. And मुझे लगता है कि it's brilliant. I don't think the filmmakers, and Aarti, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. And when I mentioned filmmakers, because she's made this wonderful film, I'm so glad that she saw you in this. पहले यही बता दो मुझे, because when you see Sania, you know, and I think ये victims of their own great success हो जाता है.
Yeah.
And I think it is that. Okay. And you know, with Dangal that happens, and people just start to try to give you bigger, better, and best. But I think you have so much to offer, and so congratulations on this.
Thank you.
You're winning awards everywhere, and that's great. But this will come to both of you. Is it difficult to see Sania beyond what everybody else sees her like? So if you follow her on Instagram, you'll see a different one, and then you see the kind of film she's choosing is totally different. So as a filmmaker, आपको ये थोड़ी सी मतलब वो 50-50 हो जाता है दिमाग में.
लेकिन एक्चुअली मुझे सानिया का बहुत प्यारा क्वालिटी लगता है कि शी इज़ लाइक अ चाइल्ड वुमन. तो मुझे और वो मैं बहुत रिलेट करती हूँ. एंड फॉर अ स्टोरी लाइक दिस, लाइक यू नो, you make it in a way because you've seen your mothers and aunts and sisters doing it, but you also want the daughters in the world to connect to it, like you know. So मुझे लगता है कि she's such a lovely person because she's in a lovely threshold, and you know, she has the innocence and she has the sincerity of a young fresh-faced girl, but she also is a very evolved person. She has a lot of layers and a lot of maturity in her, which when I worked with her I realized, you know, and every day I met her it was a revelation, like you know, कि अच्छा ये भी ऐसा सोचती. तो so much I learned from her as a person and as an artist, you know.
Actually, that's true. Depth of character goes because you look so cute. You know, I think that cute is not equal to depth. That's what people tend to believe. Do you think you're misunderstood sometimes as an actress in the industry?
No, not actually. Because I have never, I've tried, I don't even have to try, nobody has ever been able to put me in a box as an actor.
Correct.
And that was also my decision to never put myself in a box as an actor. Starting off my career, I think this was right after Dangal. So many people asked me that what do you want to do? Like, I'm sure there is ऐसा कुछ होगा जिसमें आप comfortable होगे करने के लिए. मेरे agents ने पूछा है, मेरे managers ने पूछा है, मेरे PR ने पूछा है कि do you see yourself doing something that some other actor has already done? But मैं कभी भी नहीं सोच पाती थी that I don't know, I never kind of, I was always like, no, I want to
do my own stuff.
Do my own stuff, and I want to do everything, and that's what I've done, whether it's Dangal, Photograph, Paglet, Patakha, Kathal, Sam Bahadur.
See, even films like Pataka, if you go back and you ever see reviews, it's a very brave film for people of your age to do.
Yeah, definitely.
And other thing also is like, you know, like I would have wanted you to do ABCD. Yesterday only I met Remo. I think you'd be brilliant in ABCD types, you know.
I agree, I will.
You've not done a dance film. You should tell. Every time he keeps wanting to make another, you should tell people.
Yeah.
Because the ease with which you move is just incredible.
Yeah.
But completely different from all the names of films that you took right now.
Yeah, because I naturally get attracted to these stories and somewhere these characters. तो मुझे भी empower करती है. मुझे लगता है कि मैं ये करूँगी तो पता नहीं मुझे ये I want to tell this story वो अंदर से आता है. और हर फिल्म के लिए जो मैंने अभी तक करी है, और वो वाली फिल्मों में आप डांस भी नहीं घुसा सकते ना कि बीच में एक डांस नंबर घुसा दिया तो पूरा फिल्म का कबाड़ा हो जाएगा.
यहाँ पे एस्थेटिकली और सही वक्त पर लास्ट में आ गया है. See, I cannot say because obviously because I've seen the film, but you can just say कि पूरी जर्नी रही है एक हॉबी और एक पैशन को पूरा करने के लिए. It's not just about mother and daughter. We'll come to that, but very rarely do I have technical interviews and I have to just marvel at your technique of filmmaking. मैं दंग रह गया. You know, लोग जब कई बार बोलते हैं ना कि it's a remake, यार आपने कौन सी पहली वाली फिल्म देखी है? कितने लोगों ने देखी, सच बताओ. So it's not about that, you know. And the first 5-7 minute sequence, the colors, you know, she's playing drums and the food and the chopping. See, sounds of it. I have always wanted to be a chef, and I've grown up with from Floyd to Yan Can Cook to Sanjeev Kapoor साहब to all. मेरे को बड़ा भूख लगता, मैं तो लंच बॉक्स देखकर इतना पेट ही गुड़गुड़ा रहा था. Even Saf's Chef जो शायद नहीं चली, मेरे को उसमें भी बड़ी भूख लग रही थी. So it is beautifully done. मुझे लगता है कि आपने खाने के जो शॉट्स लिए हैं पिक्चर में, वो तो बहुत शूटिंग की होगी और खाना भी बहुत बना होगा सेट पे.
बहुत सेट पे बना, हमने बहुत रिसर्च भी किया. We spoke to a lot of food writers. Sai Khurane, she's a very famous blogger. And she's also a food writer, but I also spoke to a lot of women, you know what, because it was not like कि आप cookbook वाले cuisine बना रहे हो, आप जब लोगों के घर में बनता है तो rare recipes I was asking for, and we also found someone's grandmother in Lucknow who sent long voice notes कि अभी ये डालने का, फिर ये, और it was so funny because ये स्वाद अनुसार, you know, all her recipes. Correct. So we added it in the film also. She's की मम्मी कितने चम्मच, तो वो थी स्वाद अनुसार, like, you know. So we did a lot of research. In fact, there are 50 to 70 dishes in the film. Yes. And we
presentation भी इतनी खूबसूरत है सारे dishes.
So we had a food stylist Ajinkya who worked very hard on this. And अजिंक्य की बहुत खास बात थी, he had found his way of working. वो हमेशा सेट पे हमेशा 1-2 घंटा लेट आते थे, पर हमेशा जब भी आते थे बहुत टेस्टी डिश बना के सर्कुलेट कर देते थे. तो जब तक कि वो आते थे शूट के फ्लोर पे, मतलब गुस्सा भी आ रहा है पर बोल नहीं सकते, कल से टाइम पे आना यार करके, लगे लोग कुछ बोल ही नहीं पा रहे. But he also worked very hard, and I have to say my DA Shrey Gupta, he was like so keen on like making sure every dish is particular, because you know ये सब चीजें sourcing करने में बहुत मेहनत होती है.
I'm sure.
You know it was a department.
और जिस तरह आप शूट भी कर रहे थे उसको ना ऊपर से, मतलब पूरा खाना देख रहा था. हाँ. Was that also a very conscious attempt? Very conscious attempt.
ये film में, as you rightly said, because for me the original was a very technically sound film, and I really wanted to really technically push myself also in this film. एंड तो उसके लिए इनफैक्ट मैं बहुत केयरफुल रहती थी कि यू नो कोई भी 2 शॉट एक जैसा ना हो फिल्म में. ये मैं हमेशा कोई भी फिल्म बनाती हूँ ये चैलेंज होता है कि इवन इन अ सीन आई डोंट लाइक कमिंग बैक टू द सेम शॉट और सेम थिंग. आई लाइक दैट. And I also feel that there's a text and there's a subtext.
Correct.
And I believe in showing and not telling. So I thought that this is how it is, like, you know.
नहीं, और मुझे पता है लोग कलर पैलेट समझते नहीं कई बार फिल्मों का. पहले बहुत ब्राइट और खूबसूरत था, और जैसे जैसे इनके कैरेक्टर पर काफी कुछ बीतती है. मेकअप और योर स्टाइल इज आल्सो जस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. व्हाई? बिकॉज क्या होता है ना, कई बार हैवी मेकअप के साथ में ना जैसे बहुत इजी हो जाता है, बट विद यू ओनली इन द इनिशियल जहाँ पे पहले 5 मिनट में शादी होती है, आई एम नॉट रिवीलिंग एनीथिंग एनीवे, बट इट इज वंडरफुली डन. वो मूड इतना डिप्रेस्ड हो जाता है पूरी पिक्चर में. सो इसमें द एडिट मस्ट हैव बीन डिफिकल्ट.
Yeah, the edit was difficult, and I think the whole team came together very well. Like as far as palette is concerned, like you know, Natasha for her look, the costume designer for her costume color becoming DSAT, and Pratham Mehta, even the way he lighted the kitchen, the burst of light, you know, because it's a place of hope for her, and then it's a place where she's trapped. So he kind of made it feel like that through the way he treated. And edit was also like, I mean, my editor.
You are a very good technical person on your own also. बहुत directors को मैं जानता हूँ जिनका vision बहुत सही रहता है, storytelling बहुत अच्छी रहती है, बाकी DOP और उन पर छोड़ देते हैं. तो are you technically very good?
I like to be, I'm a precision freak in a way that कि हाँ, मतलब मुझे अच्छा लगता है, एंड मुझे वो जुगलबंदी बहुत मज़ा आता है. लाइक इफ आई वर्क विद अ स्ट्रॉन्ग टेक्नीशियन, सो इवन दे ब्रिंग आउट द बेस्ट इन मी, एटलीस्ट यू नो, ऑल द टाइम. So I like it. I mean, I just love, like, I get very confused when they say what part of filmmaking you like. ऐसे मुझे writing में बहुत, मतलब उसमें, then when you're making also you like, but editing also you like, and sound design also. So I really love all of it. Like,
She's full Lakeer ka Fakir with all the things. I love it. Beautiful.
Yeah.
But just working also in a film like this also, ये बहुत प्रोग्रेसिवली आपके खुद के कैरेक्टर के लिए ना, समटाइम्स यू रियलाइज कि एम आई डूइंग टू मच टू लिटिल. ऐसा नहीं था. बीच में बहुत ऐसे मुझे मोमेंट्स लगे थे, बट आई वुड हैव वांटेड यू टू बर्स्ट आउट विद एग्रेशन. नहीं होता है, बहुत समय तक नहीं होता है, यू नो. was that difficult also as a character graph also when you're studying it also, because it actually is इतना room नहीं है, एक कमरे से दूसरे कमरे जा रहे हो most of the time.
Yeah, नहीं, for her I think क्योंकि उसको भी ये realization नहीं है कि उसके साथ कुछ गलत हो रहा है, बहुत ही late उससे ये realize होता है कि oh, I'm being trapped.
Yeah.
Like they're not letting me do what I want to do. उससे पहले तक और starting of the film में she is also a part of that world and patriarchy. तो उसको ये चीज़ नॉर्मल लग रही है कि मुझे वहाँ जाके खाना बनाना है, एंड शी इज़ ऑल्सो ट्राइंग हर बेस्ट कि वो पूरी फिल्म में शी इज़ ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रेस हर इन लॉज एंड हर हस्बैंड. कहीं पे भी ऐसा नहीं था कि जिसमें रिचा को ऐसा लगे कि मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ, ये मुझे नहीं करना. इट्स ओनली व्हेन शी रियलाइजेस दैट they're forcing me to do this. Like I want to do other things in my life as well, but they're not letting me do that, is when she realizes कि ये ठीक नहीं है. तो वही वो I think वो जूझ रही है वो इमोशन से कि मैं
sprinkling of the characters also, जैसे कि आपकी जो typical जैसे वरुण बड़ोला का जो कैरेक्टर है,
हाँ
तो ऐसे अंकल बड़े आते हैं, आपके फादर इन लॉ का जो मतलब जिनके लिए औरतें इनविजिबल हैं पूरी फैमिली में, then your husband who doesn't look like that but actually उनके emotions exactly वैसे ही रहते हैं. This is it's not an easy film for people like me who I have a sister, I've come from a family with an army background and all, जो औरतों की बहुत ज़्यादा इज्जत की जाती है. This was a difficult film. मतलब आप emotion बहुत अच्छी तरह निकाल पाए वैसे, even from your rather than like you said ना subtly play कर रहे हो, ज़्यादा in your face नहीं था लेकिन बहुत बाहर निकल रहा था. Casting wise, let's talk about that. Was it a long process to find the right people, क्योंकि look of the characters ही match हो रहा है. कमलजीत सर का जो facial frustrated और cowl वाला expression है fantastic है.
It is.
Was that the game winner for you?
And I was blessed. I was working with the best casting director Mukesh Chhabra. And and he always was very, like, we were also clear, like, while casting for even Divakar's character played by Nishant, we wanted to have someone she would be enamored by in the beginning. So he used to say कि कोई एकदम से directly कमीना नहीं दिखना चाहिए. You should cast a guy who looks like in regular social life you'll meet them, it's like seems like a nice guy.
Correct.
इसकी बीवी चली गई मतलब like, so not clearly negative, like but looks like a positive guy in general. Like even mother-in-law character, someone who is like almost become a shell of a person herself. Bua character was like ambiguous, like how our buas are, like sometimes they are warm, sometimes they are nice. So I was very fortunate that he was leading the casting for me.
But were there workshops या फिर ऐसे ही सब
readings
अपना character तो यूं पकड़ लिया फिर?
Yeah. हाँ, हमने rehearsals भी किए,
rehearsals भी करा और readings भी करे.
Did she surprise you as a performer?
She surprised me. She she was so amazing as an artist. I was almost so for me, like, I saw her prep and I got jealous कि ये मेरे से ज़्यादा prep क्यों करी? I got competitive.
किस तरह prep कर रहे थे आप?
But I wanted a solid backstory for her, ki where she's coming from, how her relationship with her parents is, that why is she okay, like, because this is starting of the film, she is also taking a lot. मुझे लगा कि ये तो मैं 2 दिन में पहचान जाऊँ अगर मैं हूँ ऐसी फैमिली में कि ये तो ठीक नहीं है. तो why is she taking that? And I wanted to develop that कि क्या हुआ होगा कि जब ये पहले दिन दिवाकर से मिली तो she forgot about everything. She's physically attracted to this man and she must have said yes कि हाँ ये मैं इससे शादी करने के लिए रेडी हूँ, पर दिवाकर ने बहुत टाइम लगाया होगा उसको हाँ बोलने के लिए to set that डायनामिक्स की मैं सोचकर बताऊंगा. उसने और 3-4 लड़कियां देखी होंगी इस बीच में और वो एक हफ्ते में मेरी हालत ख़राब हो गई होगी कि क्यों क्या हो गया, आई एम नॉट like worthy enough or what. Like she's also trying to impress this new guy.
You made all these notes?
So and she went for, so she was not showing it to me. She I think went for washroom. So I opened it and I read this and मैं ऐसे और उसके बाद मुझे एकदम टेंशन आ गया. मैंने सबको कॉल किया प्रथम like अरे ये तो बहुत अलग लेवल प्रेप हो रहा है, अभी हम लोग को और आउटडू करना है like
I'm never leaving my journals around ever.
Now describe your director to me, who has made some very interesting films. मतलब मैं जब कई बार जो एक फिल्म मेकर के साथ अगर आपकी एक फिल्मोग्राफी एक इंटरेस्टिंग है, yours is also very interesting. You just space से काफी related है. I mean I also like to look up. You think about sci-fi. but then family related relations पर भी है. So what was your impression of her before you started or फिर during filming?
Before we started, I fell in love with her when I first met her.
अच्छा.
I felt so like that's how her energy is. That she makes you feel very like warm and welcomed, and that's how I felt. And I was like, this is a person that I can trust, and I can open myself fully. Like I knew that she will like listen. कुछ भी मैं बोलूँ तो she will let me be. And it's because of her I was also pushed to prepare myself fully, you know. I was excited because I could see that she had so many ideas for Richa and for the story, and I could see that passion. तो मैं भी कोई मतलब I was like कि मुझे भी सब कुछ करना है to also impress her. And you know, I think thanks to Aarti, we all, not just the actors, everyone on set felt welcomed and, you know, important. And she lets the crew and the team do what they want to do. You know, she's never like, you know, this is how it should be. They let everyone shine. And that's the beauty about her. क्योंकि सबको वो काम करने देती है. कभी नहीं ऐसा मैंने कभी आरती को, कभी कभार मुझे लगता था कि आरती इसको तो डांट दो, तुम ये कैसे बात कर रहे हो तुमसे. पर मैं पूछती भी थी, पर आरती कहती थी कि आरती ने मुझे बहुत ही प्यारी चीज़ बोली थी कि 2 तरीके हैं काम करवाने के. या तो मैं डांट के करवा सकती हूँ जिससे जल्दी हो जाएगा काम, और दूसरा है जिससे मैं बहुत ही पोलाइटली बोल सकती हूँ. वो स्लो प्रोसेस है, बट आई वुड ऑलवेज डू दैट. यू रिमेंबर यू टोल्ड मी दैट? या बिकॉज आई वाज गेटिंग इरिटेटेड बाय समथिंग.
टेक यू फॉर ग्रांटेड लाइक दिस. अगर ये जो सेकंड प्रोसेस है इसमें तो
नहीं, मेरी टीम है ना, मेरे बहुत लॉन्ग टर्म एसोसिएटेड है. सो जो मेरे साथ रहते हैं ना, they know and they also protect me. Like I am actually a control freak, so as we said that, but there is a way of like it has to be a both of us have to work together, like me this.
But you're a director, you should be a control freak मेरे हिसाब से.
Yeah, that's okay.
हाँ, आपके एक्टर अगर अच्छे आपने कास्टिंग कर ली तो कर ही लेंगे अपना काम.
But हाँ, पर मुझे बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ, and I think like it's how I've evolved also since I've been like, though this is my second feature film, but I've made a lot of short films and I've worked with lots of teams. So what I've realized is over time I've become very confident. I know that where the suggestion will, like there's a larger vision of the film and people do add magic, you know, if you have a very passionate. In fact मुझे तो कई बार अच्छा लगता है जब मेरे से disagreement होता है, वो teammate बहुत passionate बोलता है नहीं मुझे तो ऐसे ही चाहिए. तो actually even though sometimes I'm arguing with the person, but I actually feel good that that person is passionate enough to care. Like
point of view तो है.
कई बार मुझे कुछ teammates का ये भी बुरा लगेगा कि ये तो हर बात मान रहा है, मतलब वो मतलब तुम सोच भी रहे हो कि नहीं सोच रहे हो अपने इसके बारे में. So
वो तो शाम को पैकअप से 1 घंटे पहले ही सब मानने लग जाते हैं हर बात को. Vindication
automatically.
Of course. Yes ma'am, perfect है. Let's shoot.
Great shot, move on.
अब ये great shot तो हुआ ही, vindication हो जाता है जब Best Actress Award at a recent film festival. It's fantastic, you know. I think you deserve all of that, but for the filmmaker and you both, now you're A, winning the award, and B, मेरा journey सफल हो गया. So let's just have both those emotions when you got it.
I couldn't believe it. मैं तो उठी थी तो रात को हुआ, और सुबह I saw Harman's message because Harman was there at the film festival, and I couldn't believe it. और
you were not there?
No, I wasn't there.
Yeah, even
it happened in New York.
Yeah, it happened in New York. Yeah.
So I was quite shocked. I was very happy.
अगले दिन चले जाते ना फ्लाइट लेके जल्दी.
नहीं. I was also, I'm sure I was shooting. No, I'm not shooting. Always shooting. I wish I was there, but of course I felt happy.
And you must have been vindicated कि मैंने जो, क्योंकि न्यूयॉर्क एंड बमन सर जैसे मैं बात कर रहा था, कहते हैं शिकागो फिल्म फेस्टिवल ये सब ना, कहते हैं हाँ ठीक है बस बनाने के लिए भेजा जाता है ये सब, बट वहाँ पे जब थोड़ा अप्रिशिएट कर लेते हैं स्ट्रॉन्ग परफॉर्मेंसेस, यू फील नाइस विद इट. आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट हैव फेल्ट वेरी गुड.
नो, आई फेल्ट वेरी नाइस एंड एक्चुअली आई वाज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट दैट हर परफॉर्मेंस इज वेरी बिकॉज सच अ नेचुरल. सी कई बार क्या होता है कि इतना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस भी होता है कि समटाइम्स पीपल आल्सो give award to something that is noticeably good, but something that is transparently so good now sometimes you feel also. Correct. But I was feeling that I really felt that this is like one of the best performances on even my Pratham and all, like we would talk about like Revolutionary Road and you know films like that. हम लोग तो PTA film का you know references थे, हम लोग के references तो अलग level के थे, and we used to say कि she has delivered like मतलब what Keynes मतलब she's delivered like a very amazing like world class performance, and we would feel that on the set itself.
Thank you.
No, I think it's really worked.
Yeah.
Just before I wrap up, I just want to ask, do you feel the ending came quicker than, like, I thought the build up was great. I thought the ending was quick. Was that how you wanted to keep it also? Without any, kahin pe bhi melodrama nahi hona chahiye. Actually, by the time this interview plays, you would have already seen it. Just the throwing of the water, and just immediately after that, चाबी उठा ली, गाड़ी में बैठ गए, कोई गाड़ी में कोई म्यूजिक वाला शॉट नहीं आ रहा है, उसके बाद सीधा मैं डांस देख रहा हूँ और फिर रोलिंग क्रेडिट्स, मैंने कहा, oh, it's done. You know, in that sequence, do you think you would have wanted to elongate that?
No, actually, yeah, I wanted few shots to be slightly longer. The driving away shot, and even the end where she's looking at the mirror, those two shots I wanted to be longer. But I think it's fine.
Yeah,
like,
I know. मैं तो बहुत बारीकी से पिक्चर कई बार देखने जाता हूँ. That's why I stopped critiquing films, because they used to say कि भाई तुम अपनी पिक्चर मत बनाओ. But I just felt that when I was moving in the character, I thought that she'd be thinking a lot more when she was driving.
Yeah.
I felt that.
And I was.
Yeah. No, I felt that slightly, but I think it was like, you know, it's like...
Of course, now the final edit is there. But now what's the next step for you? Now, as a filmmaker, as you're saying, you're confident. So now do you want to make a very different kind of cinema, or do you want to stick to high performance oriented cinema?
No, actually this was my first high performance, and I was so blessed that it was started with her, and she set the benchmark for me. And because I do like high concept films, you know, when you're a genre filmmaker like a sci-fi or action, you're more excited about the genre and less about the character drama, and I'm so lucky that this film came to me, and now I'll be equally excited about the character drama in that genre setting. So I'm like,
और इसके बाद बजट भी बहुत बड़ी मिल जाएगी.
बिल्कुल.
ऐसे ही होता है ना, that's how it works.
And I hope मैं भी उसमें.
100%, yeah.
Yeah, I think you're a willing jodi, and thank you so much for joining
Thank you so much.
And thank you so much for making this.
Thanks so much, yeah.
I think you know, every film should have its space.
Yeah.
And I really love OTT for that, because आप इत्मीनान से देख सकते हो. मैं one of those people नहीं हूँ जो एक शॉट में देख पाता है. बच्चे हैं, काम है ये, but फिर मैं बड़ी slow burn स्वाद से देखता हूँ फिल्मों को. So congratulations on this, and I think this is going to really work, and this might be a game changer for you.
Is it?
Yeah, because eventually when it's all on your shoulders, ना, हर फ्रेम में अगर आप हो और उसके बाद अगर बाहर आ जाते हो, तो लोग, I mean, they already notice your talent, but I think they will do more. But Remo sir, if you're watching, please, मेरे को एक डांस फिल्म, यार इनको देखकर बहुत शर्मिंदगी महसूस होती है कि आपको कोई हिलना ही नहीं आता यार, ये इतनी आसानी से ऐसे करती है. Next, you should make a high concept dance film.
I was gonna say कि her as an actress, me as a director, because Remo sir can produce it. I would love to do it. Like I'm jumping on it. Like
100%.
Yeah.
I think this will be and उसमें तो you'll kill it.
Ourselves to a producer. Yeah.
100%.
फिर मेरा prep देखो सर.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Notebook भर दूँगी.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.